Hello everyone. Today my supervisor chef and I brings our project My Deep Web. I'm sure you are wondering what My Deep Web is, but first of all, I would like to introduce the background and the motivation of our applications. Currently, web users have their own data distributed across many different online services. They have Facebook accounts, LinkedIn, Gmail, Twitter, and Flickr. But somehow they have the problem like none of these online services can provide the ability to allow the users to search or retrieve this data which they want from different web services in an integrated manner. Neither the traditional search engines like Google or Yahoo or the desktop search tools can access or retrieve this authorized deep web data and return them to end users. Let's imagine two scenarios. We have Alice who would like to see her recent interactions with Jones. So she probably will go to Gmail account to check her communications with Jones. Or probably she will go to LinkedIn or go to Twitter to check the latest status of Jones. Or probably she will go to Flickr or MySpace album to check those photos with Jones. But by do all of this, it was very time consuming. Another scenario is like, for example, Alice would like to save her pictures with Jones, but she is not sure where she stole those pictures. She probably stole them in the Flickr album, or probably she put them in the Facebook album. So if she wants to search off them, it takes time as well. So one idea came to our mind is like we need an application which let which lets the web users using those online services normally and behind the scenes like it extracts and consolidates the user's data in a private cloud-based data stores. The advantage of using cloud-based data stores is that it can be accessed by any type of applications from anywhere to perform any integrated search or analyze operations. Now, let's look at the overall pictures of my deep web. We can access my deep web from both internet or from the mobile applications. After the user authorizes my deep web to get access to his online services, my deep web will extract the user's data and store all the data in a cloud-based data store. After all of this is done, the second time the user logs into my deep web, he only needs one click to update or search those kind of information he wants. There are three main components of my deep web. Firstly, it provides an integrated way of searching and extracting users' data from online services. Secondly, it extracts the user's deep data hiding in the database. Thirdly, it stores the user's data in a private cloud-based data store. Now let me demonstrate some of the main functionality of my deep web. This is the home page of my deep web, and this is the login button, and this is the register button. And if you want to save some of the information I mentioned earlier, please click what we offer. And if you have any questions or any good suggestions, please contact us and give us your ideas. Now let's go back to the home page and start with a new user. You put your name and choose your username and also a legal password, which means it has to be at least 6 characters, and click register. And here come to the main page of my deep web, and we mainly provide 3 different functionalities. There are search and also advanced search I will mention later on, and also the account management functionality and also the extract new data functionality. And now let's go into the account management. Currently my deep web provides 7 different kinds of accounts. We have Google account, which including Gmail, calendar, contacts, and documents, and also the Twitter, LinkedIn, and the Flickr accounts. And then now we're trying to log into those accounts. And then here I should mention like all the account information need to be provided once only, and after this time is done, and the system will record the user's authorized information for the second time use, which means the second time the user log into our system, we only need to start searching or extracting the data from the main page. And then here for the Twitter, it's a bit different. We use the OAuth authorization method, which means we need to get the ping to let the web server to give access to the program. We click submit, and the same for the linking. The access ping, input ping, submit. Hold on. So click continue. And here by clicking the reset user, you can reset user to the default mode, which means just after registration. So now we're going back, and we will start extracting the data. And this may take a bit of time since it's the first time of using this system, but after the first time is done, every time we do extraction, only the latest information will be extracted. This step may take us a while since it has to extracting the data from different online services, and also it depends on your internet speed and also your data size. So we have successfully retrieved 112 data records, and then here we could see like how the data has been categorized according to different online services. And for different data records, we also provide a link if you want to explore some of the detailed information about this particular data. So now let's go back. Now I will choose automatic of search. For search, for example, I want to find someone's information, like the scenario one I mentioned earlier. What I need to do is to input the person's name and starting the search. And the system has automatically returned 11 records according to different categories. In Gmail, we could see the communication between you two, and in Google Contact, you could see the person's contact details, and in LinkedIn, you could see the person's employee status. Now let's try another scenario. Say, if you want to find some particular document which you created in this year, what you could do is either to put the document's name or the document's type. Here we put PDF type, and we select the time range, and then let's start the search. And the system has written our A recordings, all is PDF formats, and previous year. If you want to refine your search results, you could use some keywords and refine the results, and we could say like only one record left, and by clicking the link you could see the particular document. Yeah, going back and try another scenario. For example, if you are a big basketball fan and you want to search for some NBA information, for search. And you can see like there's two filter data with regarding to MDA, and by clicking the link you could further explore the data's information. At last, I will show you how to find a picture which you want. Say like, wait, put the person's username, or are you first name, which the picture is taken this year. You can upload it this year. Start its search. We got two different categories, and then you create, let's say, those pictures, and by clicking the link, we could see the particular pictures and link that. My deep web is currently running online at this address, and the linking technology between extracted objects will be implemented later on, and the mobile version of the system will be implemented, which brings more convenience for the users. Thank you.